Hey everyone, Dave Grime here yet again with another real estate blog, and this one's a little fun, and it's about purchasing or renting a cottage or a recreational property. So going to a cottage is great, but there are many things to consider when looking for one to rent or buy. Keep in mind they require maintenance and need to be checked on year-round if you purchase one, but you can generate income and you always have a place to go at the drop of a hat, especially during the summer. On the other hand, most people decide to rent a cottage. That's what we do. It can cost a little bit of money, but you don't have the cost of maintaining it. And you can choose different ones in many great locations in an amazing cottage country we have here. Okay, now I'm getting to my main topic. I think there are two types of cottages, a lake cottage or a beach cottage. Which one do you prefer? Personally, myself, I prefer a lake cottage as I love fishing and boating. Love a lake with cliffs, rock outcroppings, trees, hiking trails, and all the great stuff that you can get up in the Muskoka, Halliburton, Kawarthas. Then we have a beach cottage, which is also amazing. Nothing beats heading to the beach for the day, packing a lunch, spending time with family and friends in the sand, and just playing around. For me, it's always came down to the kids as which one is the better choice. A beach cottage is the best for young kids. You can keep your eyes on them all day swimming, playing in the waves. You have a nice flat sandy beach, so for the little ones it's perfect. Now at a lake cottage, you got to keep an eye on them at all times. You're dealing with rugged terrain, docks, rocks, sometimes cliffs. I actually love both. And now that my boys are older and have the actual patience for fishing, a lake cottage is my preference. But when they were toddlers, a beach cottage was the perfect choice. Anyways, this summer, happy cottaging everybody, and we'll see you all soon.